Good morning, everybody. Moving on from what we did with formulas last week, we're moving on to have a look now at the if statement in Excel. The if statement, it can sometimes be considered difficult by people. I'm going to show you this morning how it's very straightforward. The if statement is an example of a conditional logic. So it's a function that's used in Excel. Now, all a function is a formula that's already made up for you. Now, we've looked at formulas, so you'll find this straightforward. Conditional logic is actually something that you use every day. And the example we're looking at here is, if you win the lottery, then you will be rich. So if and then make up your conditional logic. So let's move on from there. I want to have a look at actually how you put the if function together. As you know from formulas, you always start with the equal sign. And our function is exactly the same here. It's going to have three parts, three different arguments. The first part is going to be your logical test. Now, your logical test is your condition. So this is us looking at the bank, deciding, is there money in the bank? If that is true, if there is money in the bank, then we are rich. If there is no money in the bank, we are poor. So that the first part, the first argument, is your condition. The second part then is your value if it's true. So what happens if this test actually is true? The third part, final part, is what happens if it's false. All of this is prefaced with an equal sign, just like an ordinary formula. So it's already created for you, you just fill in the blanks. So this is a little look at